Let's send it over to pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. So much to watch in the stock market right now. Alan, what's your trader talk?
Hello, Angie. More Merry New Year. Stocks are solid in 2023.
What's the latest on your trading positions?
All right, let's talk about our trading positions. Now, last week was a great example of one of the best attributes of our in-the-money option strategy. Now, some of our positions expired worthless. We don't like that, but they were completely limited risk options with plenty of time for good things to happen. So we want to position ourselves for success. Again, the key is limited risk. So right now, some of the positions we're looking at, we've got MU, which has done very well over the last couple of weeks, as a great example of what we want. A small move in the underlying stock produces big gains, and we're just about there for the 50% profit on that Micron stock.
This week you are powering up with a new play. Tell us about your new trade.
All right, this week's trading trigger is in Plug Power. Again, we're seeing some leveraged buying in this underlying stock. We play with options, obviously, and it's 50% off its April one-year high. It's 80% off its 2021 top, but it's up 500% from its COVID low. Now, the trade here has been between 12 and 18 for about 3 months. A breakout of the range targets 24. We're also seeing a bullish divergence bottom, meaning it made new lows but not new highs in implied volatility. We've talked about this time and time again. That sets up for a short squeeze. Now, if this stock can move and fill in that gap at 21, the option will gain 100%.
Someone could just buy shares of Plug Power, perhaps up to $19, but what's your call option strategy to manage your trading risk?
All right, I'm an options player. I use a stock substitution strategy, buying these in-the-money options that act like the stock with limited risk instead of the shares. Now, the option we're looking at here is the June 12.5 call. Again, the bottom of that range is 12. So the 12.5 calls for trading for about 5 or so with the stock at $16.50. So it's $4 in the money with plenty of time for that stock to make a move to the top.
Let's get your trading day takeaways for this very active trading week, Alan.
All right, let's talk trader takeaways. Trader takeaway number 1, it's 5 and dime time, meaning that we've got the S&P up 5% in 2023, and we've got the NASDAQ up a full 10% on the new year. Number 2, the dollar dive is alive. The dollar has dropped from 115 in September down to near 100 now with these new 7-month lows. And number 3, road warrior. So the rate hike cycle is near the end of the road. Now, what's important as a trader, not sometimes what happens, is what doesn't happen. The S&P is down a paltry 8%, 350 points, since the March rise started less than 1 year ago.
Thank you, Alan, for all of your trader talk.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.